Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Sony SS-CS5M2 3-way 3-driver high-res bookshelf speakers, 2025 model. These compact speakers are built to deliver audiophile-grade sound at an affordable price. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description below to grab this pair at the best discounted price today. You don't want to miss it. Design and build. The Sony SS-CS5M2 speakers come in a clean, minimalistic design that blends perfectly into any setup. Despite being bookshelf-sized, the build quality is excellent, with a premium finish that feels durable and refined. They're compact enough for desks, bookshelves, or small studio spaces, yet powerful enough to impress in larger rooms when paired with an amp or receiver. Sound performance. Here's where these speakers shine. The 3-way, 3-driver system includes a 1-inch tweeter, a dedicated mid-range driver, and a 5.25-inch woofer for balanced, room-filling sound. With high-res audio certification, you get crystal-clear highs, warm mids, and punchy bass that stays accurate without distortion. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or even gaming, the SS-CS5M2 delivers precise detail on a wide soundstage that feels immersive. Vocals sound natural, instruments are well separated, and the overall clarity is top tier for the price point. Features and compatibility. These speakers are passive bookshelf speakers, which means they'll need to be connected to a receiver or amplifier. They pair well with Sony's home audio gear, but work just as well with most stereo amps on the market. Perfect for both entry-level audiophiles and seasoned music lovers. Pros and cons. White check mark emoji. Pros. High-res audio certified for detailed, high-quality sound. 3-way, 3-driver design with wide frequency response. Compact, stylish bookshelf-friendly design. Excellent value for the price. Great for music, movies, and gaming. Warning emoji. Cons. Requires an external amp or receiver, not plug and play. Bass is clean but not as deep as a dedicated subwoofer. Final verdict. The Sony SS-CS5M2 3-way 3-driver bookshelf speakers, 2025 model, are some of the best budget-friendly high-res speakers you can buy this year. With their detailed sound, sleek design, and impressive versatility, they're a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to upgrade their audio setup without breaking the bank. Right pointing finger emoji. Ready to upgrade your sound system? Click the link in the description below and grab these Sony bookshelf speakers at the best deal available today.